Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of organization with the Cologne Organizer for Men, a stylish and functional 3-tier cologne stand that's perfect for displaying your favorite scents. This versatile piece not only holds a minimum of 12 cologne bottles but also features 2 hidden compartments and 2 drawers, ideal for storing jewelry, watches, rings, and other personal items. Crafted from natural wood, it boasts a smooth surface and a vintage black finish, adding a touch of elegance to any room. But it doesn't stop at colognes. This organizer is also suitable for perfumes, accessories, Funko Pops, spices, and even works as a valet tray. Whether you're looking for the perfect birthday or holiday gift for men or women, this organizer is a fantastic choice that combines style and practicality. So, elevate your space and keep your essentials neatly arranged with this must-have Cologne Organizer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.